This is a Children's Day, and before we receive the tithes and offering, we also give time to dedicate children that become part of this Children's Day later. I'd like to call the parents with their children. The baby's name is Alena de Rosara Avance. She was born on December 14, 2016. The parents with their child is come, Sheila G. Avance and Romel Avance. The second child, his name is Shirley Meg, the human Hilary. Born on December 8, 2016. The parents is come with their child, Miguel Hilario at Miralisa Hilary. When Jesus was still a baby, he was dedicated in the temple. And this is for everybody. Child dedication is not a baptism. It will not make the child Christian. But it will remind parents that these children are entrusted to you and you have this responsibility. It is done in the church as Jesus Christ was dedicated in the temple.